Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely rarest collection conch from Indian Ocean. It is called 2i Goddess Mahalakshmi white conch from Indian Ocean. This conch is very rarely found. It is very rarely found in Indian Ocean. You can see here 2i like formation. It's a pure white. White is for Goddess Mahalakshmi. It is extremely powerful conch. Just keep one piece in your puja room. You will get full and full blessing of Goddess Mahalakshmi, and your business will be improved and you will get huge profit in your business. So beautiful conch. It's a 2i Goddess Mahalakshmi conch from Indian Ocean. It's the same conch in very strong. All are beautiful. It is also a collection conch. Conch collector also allowed to collect this beautiful conch. It is not easily found. Very rare conch from Indian Ocean. 2i Goddess Mahalakshmi conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.